just finished eating. Same now. I forget Sallah gift now. So I'll pretty much talk to you guys later. Wait, don't load that finish later. I don't chop finish. Let me relax now. Sweet. Just go back from the market. One at a time. Peace, Sallah. Things are expensive, you guys.
But recently I just don't care.
Skin like milk is off to the market this morning. Skin like milk. Good morning. Let me buy provisions. Bring that one for me. See, bring that one for me. That okay. That milk. Bring two.
Mona, 688.
How much? 1,000.
1, 2.
1, 2. How many do you have? 5. Conquer. What of this chin-chin?
No. Banana peanut.
Pim, banana pim. You may not finish this thing under 1 minute. You can for me. When I can add it. This life. Same to you. You know be Muslim now. I forget Sallah gift now. You don't say be Muslim. Why the fly there like this? What's in me that? That's not big. Fly is crazy, man.
From?
But you don't load that finish like this.
I don't load them now.
You don't go figure up again.
I don't they like traffic up.
That's what I like them. Hi guys. Obviously I just got back from the market I spent time almost 2 hours close in that market. I was actually still taking my time. Things are expensive, you guys. The tomatoes I bought, you guys saw it now. That tomatoes, that price that I put on it is actually the price. Like, I was shocked. Things are so expensive and it's not even red and the seeds are very tiny. Just rubbish. Anyways, right now I want to start cooking. I'm panting because I don't tire. Sunburn wants to finish me. I don't know if I have sunburn, but I cannot have sunburn because my product contains sunscreen. Let me see. So yeah, let me cook. I'll show you guys when I finish cooking everything. I don't know if I should show you guys the things I bought. No, I don't have strength. Tomorrow I'll cook the white soup. So I'll show you guys when I'm about to cook it, when I remove everything to cook. Okay, but for now, let me just catch my breath and then just start cooking. Okay, I'll see you guys later, or I'll talk to you guys later. A sweet meat. Is this meat? All of this meat like this. I bought it for 2.5. I did how much? And I did not put on it. 2.5. So affordable. No, I think it was for 3K. Yes, 3K. but it's a lot. I want to use this to make. This is what I'll use to make the white soup tomorrow for us, for Sallah. We are not Muslim, or we're celebrating Sallah. And also this chicken that I bought. This chicken, I got this chicken for 6K. Also, it's plenty, very plenty, and the chunks are large, like very large. I got them big, fat, like very large. Now only these two things sweet me today. The rest things very expensive.
I wanna be in your life until the night is over. I wanna hold you so tight, coming closer. It's been a hell of a ride, but every single moment you were there by my side. Whenever I'm broken, you make me feel whole. Whenever I'm lonely, you're there for my soul. Wherever you are, girl, that's where I call my own. Whenever you doubt it, I'll be letting you know.
This one because I'm very hungry, and I want to give this one out to a friend because she says she wants, and everything is finished. Mommy, will you eat this thing? Will you eat? You have started. Gym instructor, you have started. Gym instructor. I present. Come and take. I present this to you. Take. Oh, my happy birthday! Why are you surprised? You know, when you start school, I'll buy more of snacks. Say thank you, mommy. Say thank you, mommy. You cannot even say thank you. I'll take it back now. You are confused. You don't know where to start from. Eh? Eh? Wow. Yomi's cheese balls. How many do you want to eat? Only you, how many? No. One at a time.
Wow!
Not something small. Just open them like say it. Who's on our uncle also? Who you okay, the man? I'm going to eat. Wow. I will buy so that I used to be watching movie. Like it? Say thank you, mommy. Such a cute thing. I don't know where he learns that from. Anytime you want eating, go. Anytime you see food, you go do. Like, oh, I bought this for you, me boy. You're going to school. Oh. Small. Are you pregnant? Small. Hi. Hi. So shy. Oh yeah, we're him. Hi, my baby. Just to get knuckles, like see, if they rub bleaching cream. Why are you having knuckles? Guys, this was it was such a struggle to wear him. And see, in 3 years in elastic. Why did you remove it? It was such a struggle to wear him. I knew that this would be too tight for my baby. See, this place is too tight. So the neck was a struggle to pass through. So I think they would loosen it a little for me. I would loosen it a little down here. That's what I would do. This is trying to wear in the knicker. I'm not trying this one out. I'll use this one to know the fault of just one. The good thing is they were quite affordable. 1,000 each. I have to put like bands on the waist. Now my phone is some now. It's fine, you know. Now I'm the phone is some. Come on. It's fine though. Wow. It's so cute. Tell them we're ready for Sallah. Wow. Happy Sallah. Happy Sallah, guys. Happy Sallah. Not like I'm celebrating the Shah, but how are you guys doing now? Let me know how you, if you're a Muslim and you watch this vlog, let me know how you celebrated your Sallah. And if you're seeing my face for the first time, hi, my name is Udori Oseni. Today is Sallah, obviously, and the time is like 8. In my kitchen this morning, as always. I want to like get to the market this morning because I have some things that I would love to buy. And you know, I have some meals that I want to make this morning. So let's not waste so much time because I don't think I want to waste time in that market. I just want to pop in and pop out. I just hope shops that I'm looking at would open at least. And let's just go, okay? Let's go. So this is what my pot is looking like. I'm going to add like yam, just like this of yam that I'll use as thickener for this, so everything will just boil together instead of boiling the yam separately. You know, I don't want to do that. So this is the fish and the stock fish we're using. Quite a lot. It's going to be very rich. Wait for it. You guys, everybody just finished eating apart from Yomi. The soup is quite peppery. I didn't even know I added so much pepper like this. Whew. But it's nice though, because it's like pepper soup. So you have his pounded yam with okra soup in the freezer. That's what I want to make for him now. Everyone had a blast. The food was nice. It's right. It's still remaining a lot because I used like my semi-big pot to make it. You guys saw the yam that I pounded. There's a serious story behind the yam. I was trying to pound the yam. The thing was too strong. It had seeds. So I just turned it inside pot, pour water, enough water to melt it, and then I just mixed it with poundo and mixed the whole thing. And it still pounded yam, and we ate it like that. It was really nice. We had a blast. My belly is full, and yeah. Right now, I'll just relax and go on the internet and enjoy Davido's gist about having another baby mama. You guys, I'm sure you already heard more things that happen, all these artists and their madness. I don't know. Anyways, person with date that is supposed to expect the worst. Me, I cannot date a celebrity. Sorry, I can marry a celebrity. I can only date, have fun and just basically. Let me show you guys our plates. Our plates, this was blessings on. That's my husband's. Everybody finished their food, and we still have food here. There's still plenty. And then there's like the remaining the yam for Yomi. Yeah. So I'll pretty much talk to you guys later. Alright, let me just go and relax now and take care of myself. Okay. I don't chop finish. Let me relax now. and take care of myself. All right. I'm just resting. I need to have my bath before I sleep off. But I also need to remember that meat that I told you guys. I need to cook it and grill it, but I don't have the strength right now to do that. And there's no light. It says everywhere is dark. Hopefully I do it today, but if I can't, I'll still do it tomorrow. Maybe that's what I'll even do tomorrow morning. Because after now, I want to go and make spag that will eat this night. So tomorrow morning I'll grill that meat and then make jollof rice for us. So that's the plan for tomorrow. Meaning after we finish eating, I know we'll not eat this food again today, so let me just put it in the freezer. And it's full and it's tough, guys. Like